Okay, we are finishing the new style. We made a very elegant chignon and then we decorate it with some other butterflies. The beauty of this dress and all these accessories is that we can change. It's important to have something to create variety, and you can change.
And you can change very easily.
Very easily, yes. Thank you. Is 6%. My session is based on the styling. Hair. I don't like. Okay. I think we can, but maybe it's too long hair, and I want to fix it just a little touch. Okay. Ok, pronta? Aspetta un momento che, sorry. Taste of spray, just in case. Because this little hair then in post-production make me cry. Okay. Oh, sorry. You okay? Tutto bene? Mm-hmm. Sì? Perfect. Let's come. Sempre qui. We can surely continue with this setup, and we can make some extra poses and then change our lighting setup. Only a moment. We need to fix it because it's important to keep an image as clear as I can. Okay, let me see. That's beautiful. That is beautiful, and everything is okay. And we have a really different mood and a really different kind of style. Just to add variety to my gallery. So, Sofia, bella. Perfect. Relax your shoulder. Stai su bene dritta, bravissima. Lungo collo verso di me. Brava. Un momento. E qua. Sorry. Perfect. Ok. Sofia un pochino. Okay. And then we can also play with hands. Yes, of course. A little bit here. Okay. Come back with. Bravissima. Ok, restami dritta. Lungo il collo, avvicina un pochino la mano. Ok, bravissima. Abbassa un pochino il mento. Perfect, sorry. I want to make this to two beautiful catch light into her eyes.
This way I can catch the light in her eyes.
Oh, look at me. Thank you. You're beautiful. And restami dritta con la testa. Bravissima. Stop here. Stop here. Ok. Perfect. Soffia un pochino. Ancora un po'. Perfect. Ok. Now we can change our light. And I want to try something more near to the Rembrandt light. So I turn light into feathered light, and I make work this part of my octabox, the edges of the octabox. We can. Allora, possiamo girarti verso di qua, questa volta metti giù le braccia, mi torna così, ok? I'm sorry that I have to try it out. Ok, gira il viso verso di me, and here there is the triangle with the beautiful Rembrandt light.
As in the Rembrandt style?
As in the Rembrandt style and in the Rembrandt paintings. Okay, it's really different style. Okay, let's work on it. Bellissima sei, stupenda. Ok, girati ancora un po' verso la luce, gira solo il viso verso di me, stop, stop, stupenda. Oh wow. We can also shadow by using this reflector. So we have very soft shadows. Piega la testa in avanti, guardami, così, bravissima, stop, 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 stupenda. Apri bene gli occhi, brava. Wow. Ok, adesso torna dritta, ok, perfetto. Prova a mettere una mano così, brava, bravissima. Prova con l'altra a abbracciarti, wow. Prova a abbracciarti sul braccio, bravissima. Un po' più bassa, più bassa. Stop, stop. Apri bene gli occhi, bravissima. Bravissima. Okay. And here you can also give, I don't have here now, but you can also give a flower in her hand so that you can create variety, much more variety. Let's play with rotation. So turn, ok, turn, gira, 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 stop. Adesso gira il viso solo. Ok, bravissima. Ok, allora guarda, invece di stare così, dritta, e girami un po' la spalla verso di te, così. No, non così, ma così, bravissima. Stop, stop, stop. Alza un po' gli occhi. Ok, guardami qua. Bravissima, bravissima. Ok, prova a mettere la mano qua. No, questa. Here, brava, stupenda. Beautiful. Ok, gira un po' verso di me. Stop, 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 stop. Ok, beautiful. Attenzione alle dita, non mettermele troppo strette, non troppo, ok? Soft, soft, soft. Ok, you you can also play with,
Flap your hands.
yes, some exercise with the finger of your model. Ok, come burro, come un mollusco. Beautiful. Ok, gira un pochino ancora. Prova a mettere anche l'altra. Brava, bravissima. Ok, abbassa le spalle, belle morbide, bravissima. Gira un po' il viso verso giù, guardami. Guardami, l'altra parte dell'altra. Ok, perfetto. Guardami qua, un po' più su. Perfetto. Wow, beautiful. You rock. You rock, Sofia. She's perfect. For this movie, she is really perfect. So, oh no, after we can change. We can change something. I would like to change the setup, the entire setup. So backdrop and also the dress. Can I change? Yeah. So we can starting with taking butterfly off, because this time I want to make something very different. I want to show you the fashion side of my work. And it's very. Here we have a dress, a complete dress. Instead, in the next set, I want to show you how you can use other things like fabric, like many other things than a dress, like you use a dress. So it's important just in order to use something different. And if I were in real session, I probably could have created some more variety by using something like this piece of tool, simple piece of tool, the same color as now. You can use in many different ways. I'm in love with the tool on the air. I'm in love with the tool used on the shoulders, over the shoulders.
Around the boost.
Yes.